Welcome to this package that is called Sphere Movements and Orbits, in which you will be able to move different game objects in a sphere. So for example, here we have 3 game objects that we are moving in a sphere in different positions according to the different trajectories that can handle inside a sphere. So you have another option that is rotate the camera. As you can see here, you can go up and down too, and to the left and to the right. So this is like a game that is based on like a strategy game in which you are able to select different objects, different units, and move them along the different paths of the sphere or another different spherical world. So let's explain how the different scripts work. The main script is the movement of the ship, that is this one here. And in order to understand how it works, you have to remember how the spherical coordinates are assigned. So the x value, it's an radius of an orbit multiplied by the sinusoid function of theta, and it's multiplied also by the cos function of phi. So that will be the value of x. You can also calculate the value of z and y using the similar expressions, and with that you are able finally to set the position of the ship regarding the center of the sphere that we are considering in order to create the motion. Okay. So as you can see here, we have also a cool animation for the position of the line of the game object that is controlled with the line position shape. That is just a script that is going to change the different color of the images which are composing the line. So if you go to the game object, to the ship, you have 2 canvases here. Okay, so the first canvas, let me see if I can show you that properly. Okay, the first canvas is composed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 images. Okay, and the second canvas is composed by 5 images too, but are at 90 angle. So both are perpendicular. And what we do is change the color of the different images. As you can see here, the colors being changed over time, and that allows us to create that animation from the center of the Earth to the game object, like a selection feature. Okay. The next script is regarding the planet. The planet has a script that is click on planet. So that is going to create this marker here that appears whenever we click on the planet. Okay, as you can see, that is working for each of the game objects. So that is set in click on planet script, and what it does is create a writecast from the mouse, and it changes to a screen point, to array, and with that information we're able to obtain the point in which it hits the sphere, and in that point we create just a prefab that is going to last until the game object reaches it. So as you can see, if we move this here, a prefab is instantiated. Let me pause this for a second. I was too slow to do it. I was also too slow to do it. Okay. Well, I think you can see them. Let's see if I can pause it. Well, it appears here a marker prefab that is just this marker here. that is producing like a sonar effect, which simulates the marker in which the game object is going to move towards. Okay, so that's all regarding also the click on planet routine. At the end of the script, you have the different functions to calculate the angular coordinates and to calculate the sphere coordinates. Okay, so those are the two main functions we use to go from one coordinate system to another. And to finish, we just need to talk about the different event triggers. So whenever we drag on the sphere, as you can see here, the camera movement on drag is called here. Okay, and whenever we click on the planet, the right cast on planet appears only if, as you can see here, only if a selected ship is not null, which means that in the ship functions, in the ship scripts, we need a script that selects the ship, as you can see here. Okay, so this selects the ship. Whenever we click, if we go to planet script, you will see that if click on planet, we have a selected ship that's going to be ship 1. If we click in another ship, it's going to change to ship or to ship 2, as you can see here. Okay, and whenever the ship is selected, we can click and the marker is going to be instantiated and the pointed click event is going to be triggered, so the movement is going to appear. So that's all regarding the scripts, how the package works, and I hope you like this asset and you consider downloading it and contribute to our work. Thanks very much for watching this video.